Hi everyone, this is Amisha. Hope you guys remember me. Well, I have a really good product today in my hand, and it is a lip balm. And it is not just a lip balm, so we're gonna talk about that only. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. I really love the packaging, and this is how it opens. And you guys, look at this cutie, and it has this matte finish which gives it's the premium feel. And as you can see, my lips are glossy and shiny, all because of this. So they claim this is not just a lip balm but a lip plumper, a sun shield, a nourishing mask, and a smoothing lip gloss, as you can see. So well, you can apply it on your bare face, also on your lipstick, or you just do your lip line and then apply this. It's gonna look perfect. It makes your lip a little bit plumpier, and if you want that shine and everything, you can apply this over your matte lipstick or your random lipstick which you apply on daily basis. So this single product can replace your 6 different products: your sunscreen, lip sunscreen, your lip balm, your lip treatment, your lip primer, your lip mask, and your lip scrub. This is just not a purchase, this is an investment. So I got mine, and if you want yours, comment for the link. Till then, bye bye and love you.